General life we have used these things. Here we he asked about what gain percent. It's mean profit percent. Okay. And as we know, profit is equal to 1 by, it's mean here the profit P and capital C into 100. Okay. Then we get profit percent. Here he said that Siddhi sold her scooter about any amount. We don't, if we ask about anything, is if we ask about what is the gain percent, if we ask percent, then we don't need to calculate from the amount. We go here 1 by 6. Here it's mean that his selling price. It's mean that here 6 denote selling price, 1 denote profit, and if we get 1% profit, if we get 1% profit, okay, from 6, it's mean that 5 is the cost price, okay. If is the 5 is the cost price and we need profit percent, profit percent is equal to 1 profit. What is the profit? 1 from where? 5 into 100, 20, it's 20%. It mean that we get 20% from here. If you like the video, please share with your friends who really wants to. It's general